Hey, if you're planning to move abroad, packing can be overwhelming. So in this video, I have made a checklist so you can move abroad stress-free. First and most important, your passport, your invitation and admission letter, 12th and 10th mark sheet, all of your vaccination certificate, and make sure it includes the measles vaccination. Make sure that you keep at least 5 to 6 photocopies and a soft copy too. Keep at least 30 to 40 matte passport size photo as you will need it very often and it is very expensive. And if you want to drive your vehicle abroad, you must also carry your driving license. These are the most important documents you need to carry. Now the second most important thing to pack as an Indian, masale. They are lifesaver when you move abroad. The warmth of dal tadka feels like home. So here is a practical masala list you must carry. The OG Indian masala, haldi. It is not just a color adding agent. It is highly anti-inflammatory. It boosts your immunity. It is good for your skin and heals minor gut issues. Feels boring? Come on, you are going to become a doctor. You must know these facts. Second, chili. That is mirchi powder. It improves metabolism. It is rich in vitamin C and will keep you warm during the cold Russian climate. Okay, no more gan, just names. Dhania powder, jeera powder, hing, sabzi masala, garam masala. These are the essentials you need to pack. But what about time-saving cravings? The one and only all-rounder of Indian spice. The OG Maggi masala. Then other masalas such as pav bhaji masala, chole masala, rajma masala, sambar, rasam, biryani, pulao and chai masala. Then comes the whole spices, sabut masala, tej patta, dalchini, ilaichi, luang, jeera, coriander seed, mustard seed, kasturi methi, etc. And last, some achar and desi ghee. Let me make this very clear, you don't need to carry any utensils. Except a pressure cooker, ideally 2 to 3 liters, you'll find other utensils at the same price or even lower locally. Now after you are traumatized hearing about masale, let's get into basic medicines. You should carry a first aid kit which includes general medicines for fever, cold, your allergies, pain, cough, etc. with a doctor's prescription, plus band-aids, antiseptics, ORS, and some pain management sprays or ointments such as Move or DFO gel. Personal hygiene item that will last you around 1 month is enough. You can buy it locally. If you use glasses or contact lens, keep an extra pair as they are very expensive in the respective country. Laptops or tablets are not necessary but are a good investment. Power bank, it will be very helpful, but you can buy at the same rate in Russia or Georgia, wherever you're going. Universal travel adapter is a must. And if you have multiple devices, an extension cable from India will be very helpful. Earphones or a good pair of headset will be very helpful. Money and cards. International debit or credit card with very low forex markup fee. I'll give down a link to apply for Neo Global Debit Card, which is a zero forex markup card. And if you apply through my link, you'll get 250 rupees as a bonus. Plus, you need to carry some local currency. If you are planning to carry a greater amount of money, ensure that you carry it in USD or Euro as it will be more manageable. And last, carry at least 1000 rupees just for being safe or future use. Study material. Let me be very clear, you do not need to carry any books, as you'll find it in your university library or you can easily find the soft copy. You need to carry some basic stationery which will be 2-3 notebooks, few pens, few drawing pencils for your histology, few highlighters, etc. Medical student essentials. Apron or lab coat, at least 2 pairs as you won't be frequently washing them. Stethoscope is not required, but you can buy it for your happiness. As you will have your clinical duty, you will need scrubs. There is no color restriction as such, so from baby pink to jet black, whatever suits you. And a pair of surgical caps. You do not need to bring any gloves or mask. The department you are posted in will provide you if necessary, and you can also buy locally. And last, clothing. 1 to 2 sets of formal outfit, which could be a pair of nice suit, stitched shirt or trousers for formal occasions. Ethnic wear, 1 to 2 pair for festival or cultural programs. Summer wear, 5 to 6 pair of shirts or t-shirts, 2 to 3 types of jeans or trousers, and few shorts to beat the heat. Winter wear, a pair of thermal, that is inner layer, muffler, cap, gloves, and a light jacket. As you'll find good pair of jackets locally, ideal for that environment on very reasonable price. Footwear, 2 pairs of sports, 1 pair of casual and 1 pair of formal shoe, And with boots, same as the jacket, you'll find ideal boots locally on a reasonable price. Last, undergarment and socks. Ensure that you pack underwears and socks that will last you at least 2 weeks, as you won't be frequently washing them because cold, busy. And a pair of towels. Don't overpack. Pack lightly, wisely, carry things hard to find abroad. My personal tip would be, you can buy clothes there too. Ensure that you pack a lot of masala, a lot of home sweet, a lot of bhujiyas, a lot of consumables, as these things are very rare in Russia or Georgia or wherever you're going. You can buy clothes everywhere, right? Don't carry heavy books, don't carry heavy jackets or boots, they are useless. You can buy everything locally, but the masalas, the bhujiyas, the biscuits, the chips are irreplaceable. So that was your complete guide on what to pack for Mbbs abroad. If you follow this video fully, you will be stress-free and ready to move abroad. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I have pinned down the link to apply for new global debit card. See you soon, future doctors. Jai Hind.